Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to talk to you about major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this fantastic 218i M Sport Coupe presented in the Estoril Blue. And alongside that, we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. And we've also enhanced the car even further by adding the 18-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres. You will of course see at the front of the vehicle it's a 2018 18 plate, so it does also include the 2 Series facelift. So we get the lovely LED headlamps up front. Moving on down the side of the car, as well as those very eye-catching alloy wheels, you'll see the gloss black M2 style mirror caps. Again, sitting very nicely against the Estoril blue body colour. Down the side of the vehicle, you should be able to see it's all very clean and tidy on this car, having only covered just over 5,000 miles. It's an extremely low mileage example of a very nice revvy petrol 2 Series. Inside we get a very nice half Alcantara, half cloth highlight seats, again all in superb condition as you can see there throughout. It's got the superb 6-speed manual gearbox on board. We've got the high gloss and brushed aluminium interior trims. In the rear of a 2 Series you get an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement and a centre storage tray alongside the darkened M Sport headlining, and again both the rear seats and of course that headlining all in superb condition. Moving round towards the rear of the car, again I'm going to show you off just how nice these alloys do of course sit on the car. Of course always being famed for being situated on the M2 competitions. We've now added them to one of our 218i's and they look absolutely fantastic, I'm sure you'd agree. At the back we've added a gloss rear diffuser and matching spoiler. If you've not yet seen in the boot space of a 2 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space there is in there. And again, there are the genuine floor mats which will accompany the car. You can further enhance that space thanks to the split folding seats. Moving around towards the other side of the car, not forgetting to show you the facelifted rear lights. At the other side of the car, again, we can show you off that the Estoril Blue works very nicely with all of the enhancements we've made here. And of course, again, showing you off those brand new alloy wheels. And again, shortly in a second, I'll take a seat inside and just run yourselves through a couple of the major talking points and features of this fantastic car. Starting of course with the BMW business navigation and media we have on board, and of course thanks to it being a facelift car, we've also got the newer iDrive, which I'm going to move on to shortly. However, a feature I'm very happy with on the newer facelifted 2 Series is this lovely LED backlit display on the dashboard, and there you can see it's covered 5,470, so as I said, just over 5,000 miles. So again, another lovely low mileage example here at Your Next Car. In terms of your media and satellite navigation, there you can see now on screen the satellite navigation. We've also got real-time traffic updates keeping us on the fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, USB and AUX inputs. Back at the home menu, we've even got the Connected Drive Plus, which gives you access to the online search, news and weather feeds, all powered via Google, and it even utilises the car's own onboard network, so it does not use any of your own mobile data. Of course, a car that's only covered just over 5,000 miles is not due yet its first service, and we can show you that again thanks to the digital service requirements and service history record. Down at engine oil, you'll see there that the first service is not due till 14,000 miles time. And up at service history, you can see there it's had a pre-delivery inspection service. Whilst not always essential, it is of course a nice peace of mind to have that there on screen. So hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video of the stunning 218i M Sport we have here for you at Your Next Car. For any further information, remember that there is a link in the description for you to take a look at, along with direct contact details for ourselves here once again at Your Next Car. And hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, and thank you and goodbye.